Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick unboxing for this reclining glider that I'm about to put together. And so if you're shopping this particular glider, you should know exactly what to expect after this video so that you can make a more informed purchasing decision and you can see exactly how it gets put together. So right here is the back of the chair. Very, very good quality, nice and plush, firm actually. I feel like it would give you some pretty good support. These two pieces right here are the wings that are going to go sliding onto the sides of the back. So you can see right here it has these kind of metal glides, and on the inside you can see the glides on the inside of the backs. Again, really, really nice quality, nice and plush. And these pieces are actually pretty heavy. So when you're sitting in it, you're not going to feel like you're sitting in a wet cardboard box. Now over here we have the glider. You can see that it swivels, and down here is the power adapter or the power cord. You plug that in and then everything should be able to be powered up. The controls and charging station is right here on the right side. It also comes with this pillow right here. Very, very comfortable as well. Feels pretty nice. So obviously there isn't too many pieces, and the best thing about this is that it doesn't look like you're going to need any tools. Okay, so step number one is sliding the back into the base using these black glides here on the bottom onto these black glides that are sticking up. Then take this flap and the Velcro along the tip and then stick it to the Velcro on these edges right here. Also, make sure that this power cord is not still tucked behind the seat. Next, you want to take the left wing. The left wing is going to have a straight back, and then the metal on the inside, this curved edge, is going to be towards the front. You're going to take this silver guide right here and notch it into this catch guide right here. You'll see that it is now sit perfectly even. Now we're going to take the right wing and do the same thing on this side. Finally, the last step, plug it in. Throw the pillow in if you'd like, kick back and relax. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this reclining glider that I just put together, and my initial reaction after assembly is that this thing is awesome. So the overall quality of the tufting is really, really nice. It is very, very nice, very, very plush, and each piece is actually pretty heavy. Not heavy enough where you can't handle it, but heavy enough that, you know, you're sitting in something that is sturdy and something that's going to support your body weight. Now it comes in 4 different pieces. It comes in the 2 wings right here, 1, 2, the back right here, number 3, and then the base down here, number 4. Nice lumbar pillow for added support for your lower back. And the controls over here are very, very simple. This right here is to recline the seat back. Nice and easy. And then when you want to put it back, just hit the opposite. Easy peasy. Now as for the assembly, it was really, really easy actually. It only came in 4 pieces like I said, and all you're doing is sliding the back piece into the base, and then you're sliding the 2 wings into the sides of the back, and that's it. Couple of buttons, couple of USBs for charging, and you're good to go. But overall, it's a great brand and the quality is exceptional. I've sat in it, I've laid in it, and I would highly recommend this glider to anyone looking for a really, really good quality glider that's gonna last. So go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.